friends! I'm Sammie the sloth, and today started like any other, slow and chillin' in my rainforest home. But you know what? Something felt off. The air was hotter than usual, and my favorite leafy snacks weren't looking so green. So, I shuffled over to chat with my buddy, Bella the butterfly. She told me, "Sammie, the flowers aren't blooming like they used to." Then I found Leo the leopard, who said, "The river's lower than ever, and it's harder to find food." Whoa! What's going on? That's when wise old Ollie the owl swooped down and said, "This is all part of something called climate change, Sammie. It's making our weather wacky and changing our whole rainforest." I blinked super slow because that sounded serious. I knew I had to do something, so I set off, slowly of course, to the Rainforest Research Center. There, I learned about amazing things like solar panels, which turn sunlight into energy, and giant wind turbines that spin to make electricity. No smoke, no pollution, just clean green power. That got me thinking, if everyone made small changes, we could help protect our planet. I started telling my friends too. Media group, turning off light switch at home, hand turning off light, energy saving at home, add it stock, add it distribute _equally. Turn off lights when they're not using them, recycle what they can, and walk or bike when possible. Even little sloths like me can make a difference. So, let's be climate heroes together. Talk to your family about saving energy, plant a tree, or help clean up your neighborhood. If Sammie the sloth can take action, so can you. Together we can keep our rainforest and our world lush and beautiful for everyone. Thanks for hanging out with me. Bye!